Learn now how to upgrade the manufacturing of your die-casted heat-sink aluminum parts thanks to Friction Stir Welding process. Today, we're welding a proof of concept using a smaller and machined version of the part. Composed of two pieces, the cooling channel is made on the inner part of the piece, and the cover has two holes for connecting the pipes. The two pieces are first assembled to form the cooler. These two parts are pressed together. Next, we add the cylinder in a dedicated clamping with an additional component positioned against our part. This small piece is required for the FSW exit hole, but it can be completely integrated in the design of the casting. Let's use the FSW Stirweld head implemented into a CNC machine to initiate the friction stir welding process. Previously done with screwed joints, the process can now be fully automated and is a 100% leak-proof thanks to FSW. In this case, we use an axial weld to achieve cost savings and simplify our tooling and welding processes. The design incorporates a specialized geometry to facilitate the exit hole for the FSW process. After welding, an automated quick post-welding milling is done. This step is performed to mill the area where the FSW exit hole is located at the part's end. This milling step also allows the removal of superficial imperfections. Thanks to Friction Stir Welding technology, the part is lighter, has a more efficient leak-proof cooling, and has a longer service life than screwing. Other various heat sink designs can also be friction stir welded. Ready to elevate and revolutionize your manufacturing process with Friction Stir Welding? Reach out to us today for your FSW solution.